Hey digital marketers and curious cats. Ever wondered how to sneak peek behind the curtain of successful Facebook advertising campaigns? Look no further. In this eye-opening video, we'll dive into the treasure trove that is Facebook Ads Library. Look no further. In this eye-opening video, we dive into the treasure trove that is the Facebook Ads Library. It's your free ticket to spying on the competition and mastering the art of Facebook ads. Whether you're fine-tuning your campaign or just nosy about your competitors, Facebook Ads Library offers an all-access pass to the vast world of Facebook advertising. And the best part, it's 100% free. So what you'll discover is how to effortlessly navigate the Facebook Ads Library to uncover any ad across the Facebook Ads network. You'll also see all of the variety of ads you can explore, from political to issue-based ads to the creative campaigns of your favorite brands. We're going to have step-by-step guidance on how to use the search functionality, so grab your digital explorer's hat as we embark on this journey of discovery. You'll learn how to look up specific brands and look at all of their ads. Ready to unlock the secret of Facebook advertising and become a Facebook ads detective? Hit play. So let's get ready to dive into the Facebook Ads Library together. Okay, so to find Facebook Ads Library, you can type into the search Facebook Ads Library, or you can go to facebook.com/ads/library to get there as well. Now in this video, I'm only going to show you how to look at ads. We're not going to dig deep into Facebook Ad Library. So all you have to do to search ads is choose your location. I'm going to go for the United States because that's my target audience, where they live. You can choose all of these different countries. Then you can also choose your category here. You can look at all ads. If you're in politics, you can look at housing, employment, credit, but I'm just going to choose all ads because that's simple for me. And then it gives you the broad scope of everything that's running. So I'm just going to type in a generic word here. I'm going to type in cookies and see what pops up here. We're going to go and look at crumble cookies. And Facebook Ads Library is really cool because you can actually see exactly what advertisers are running right now. So you can see this first one on the left side, it says free cookie. They started running that on February 12th. Today is February 13th. So that's a brand new ad for them. It's 1 day old as of the time of this video. So you can see they're split testing and trying a bunch of different images of different cookies. They're also split testing order now buttons as opposed to a learn more button. So there's mostly order nows on here. And look at all of the different media that they're using, all kinds of images. They're changing the main copy up on the top. So they're doing a lot of split testing to see which ad gets the highest conversions. And so let's scope this out a little bit. The library ID is a unique library identifier for each specific ad. You can also see if the ad is active or inactive. You can see when they started running the ad. You can also see that they're running this ad on Messenger, Instagram, and Facebook. Oh, I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, that's Audience Network. I like to run ads straight into Facebook and Instagram. I haven't done a lot of Messenger ads or Audience Network ads. Okay, let's scroll down a little farther. Oh, and you can also look at the ad details. You can click onto that gray button that says See Details, and you can learn more about the advertiser here. You can see how many followers they have on Instagram and Facebook, and you can see the full picture here of their ad. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of this, and you can see they have different kinds of creative. They have videos, they have images, different captions, different headlines, and I'm going to scroll down and see if I can find any ads they have that have been running for a long time. And they started running some ads down here on February 1st. My computer is so slow right now. Here they started running one on January 2nd. So that was about a month ago. So that ad might be doing well because it's been running for over a month. Or they could just be doing a brand campaign. So we're not sure exactly. And here's an active campaign, which is weird that that's still running because it has Christmas lights on it. I would turn that ad off, but maybe they're not because it's getting good leads to their business. And you can scroll down to the bottom here. They had a pumpkin chocolate chip cookie that was probably running in the fall, and it's inactive. so they probably turned that off after the season. So a lot of times, if there's an ad that's been running for a long time, you can look at the date here, and as long as it's active, that ad is probably getting good traction, good conversions, or it's getting good leads to a business. So I think that's all I'm going to cover in this Facebook ads library video, and I hope this has been helpful and gives you some insight into searching for your competitors, and you can get inspiration and check out what's working for them.